Hi. So in this chapter, now we will learn about how you can use ChatGPT to write a story or an article or just suppose your first draft. Okay. It is very easy. What I'm telling you is certain steps what you need to consider and you should follow those steps. Then you can create anything via those steps. Okay. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let me show you. Look, first and second thing what you need to understand that as ChatGPT, you have seen it create a response to input, right? Means it is like having a writer available to help. Okay, so writing a text or writing a paper or an article, it can really be very difficult, right? If you see this in real life, so here you can use ChatGPT to get started. Look, ChatGPT can help you to make your first draft or a story or article for you so that you could start. And you should consider one thing that it will not be perfect, but you can save it for the future perspective. It can also save your time, and whatever you find for correction, just correct it and send it. Okay. So for this, first one you to do, first you need to understand the topic. Okay, why I'm saying this, because before using this AI to help you, you should always understand what you are writing about. Just suppose if your topic is, let's say, the importance of sport teams. Okay, or wait, let me give an example via this. Let's say the topic is importance of team sports. Okay, for, let's say, youth development. This is a simple topic and it is very common topic. uh, Not here. The importance of team sports for youth development, right? So you should always know a little bit about the topic. If you know a little bit about yourself, then that is great. But if you would be best if you also did a little bit research and for additional information, then you can ask the chat GPT. Okay, so this, like, let me copy this here. If I'll write this in prompt, that write a short, then comma, let's say 3 paragraphs. Okay, you should be specific for everything. Let's say summary about the same thing, importance of sport team. Let's, okay, the topic should be in inverted comma so that it can able to understand. Okay, so I wrote a simple one. Let's see what ChatGPT will give me. Okay, now it is saying team sports play a crucial role in development of youth. I didn't given any limitation, so it is continuously generating the output. Okay, so okay, look, this is the introduction part. Team sport play a crucial role in development of youth, offering a wide range of benefit and blah blah blah. Firstly, participating in the team. Okay, means it has given me some keywords also. Okay, some skill part also, and moreover means it's the extra pattern sense belonging to this one. And furthermore, teams have provided opportunities for personal growth, character development. These are some basic keywords. Learn. Okay, and additionally, and at last, physically health. Okay, and at last, conclusion. Okay, means chat gpt is actually following some patterns. Understood? So now that we understand the subject well, now from this we can create a table of contents. Okay, but we will not use it in a word format. We will do it here. I wanted ChatGPT to give me all those things. So what I'll do, I will refine. Okay, this one, refine and experiment. It is the major thing what you need to do always. Okay, with the ChatGPT. Look, before asking ChatGPT for further help, let's break down the subject into smaller pieces. What I did right now. Okay, first we need to figure out what we are writing. Okay, we are writing about importance of team sports for youth development. Understood? Okay, then um, maybe it could be a book, or maybe it could be a essay, a blog, or an article, or something else. Okay, so now what we will do, we will write an article. Okay, we will not write an essay or book, we will write an article with these topic. Okay, so now what we will do, we will break down the key things we want to focus on the table of contents. So first, this part, as I told you, is a introduction part. Okay, so let me write it here. For refining, first what I need to do, introduction part. Okay, so maybe I'll write the in introduction like information, let's say about team sports. This is our topic, and let's say the purpose of the article. Look, you need to clear your imagination, focus on the topic, go and try to take a deep dive into it, and then article. Right. Okay, secondly, after introduction part, what we can do, um, firstly, participating in sport teacher essential life skills such as teamwork, communication, and leadership. Okay, these are basically some social skills, right? These are social skills. So what we can do, we can write here social benefits, right? In social benefit, what we can focus, we can focus on the teamwork, communication, and leadership. Okay, we will focusing on how teamwork can help help build, let's say, communication skills and relationship. That's what I think there is. And it's a leadership. Okay, but teamwork is basically relationship. So these are the relationship, friendship. Okay, okay, I wrote rightly. Now what we can do, we can go for the third part. I've seen somewhere like it's young athletes. Okay, means it is physical health. Okay, so now we can go for physical health. Physical health will cover these things also, athlete type of thing. So physical health is also a matter. So let's say physical benefits, okay, of team sports. So focusing on the difference. Okay, this what we can do, right? Focusing on different or something, means you need to write something about this so that you could paste it into ChatGPT. Focusing on the difference, let's say, of difference between improper cardiovascular active motor skills help to combat sedentary lifestyle. Lifestyle. Okay. You need to find the keyword only. So here what we can do, we can active non-active. Okay. Between active and um, inactive lifestyle. This what we can write. I think this is sufficient right now. And fourth, what we can do, conclusion, team provide a holistic approach to youth development for essential life skills, promoting personal growth, character development, encouraging to participate in team sport, not to contribute their well-being. Okay, means it is a negative part also. We can go for the negativity. Negative of team sports. Of team sports. sports sports. Okay, what we can do, we can highlight some possible holistic approach development. I'm just trying to find some synonyms or some keywords. Okay, we can write pitfalls of team sports. For an individual or for a team. Okay, so let me leave it here. And at last, these are basically summarize. Let's summarize it also, or like conclusion. Conclusion. Okay, conclusion means summary of the above points. Okay, so in this way you can let me zoom out first. Okay, so what we did here, using ChatGPT, writing an article story, story. Okay, understand the topic. Let's say the topic is this one. So what will be refining introduction team about particles and social benefits, focusing on how teamwork can help. Okay, I think this is sufficient right now. So what we can do now that we have a clear focus, so we can start asking ChatGPT for help. Okay, because ChatGPT has already given me these stuffs. I just need to define it. So what we can do, I will use some text like for an article about the importance of team sports for youth development. Okay, like this one, the first one, what I have written here, I think. Okay, and means for every topic I'll write something. So first, okay, here let me write for an, let's say, article about let me copy it from first page, importance of this one. Now I am writing an article, not an summarize or an essay. Okay, it is just a piece of information, but I am writing it in a systematic manner right now. Okay, so importance of team sports for youth development. So now what you need to do, you need to write a section about the introduction part. Okay, which will actually include the information about team sports, okay, and the purpose of the article. Okay, now I closed it. Include. So what I have written here, for an article about importance of team sports for youth development, it is a heading. Now I am giving instruction to ChatGPT that just write a section about introduction, which will include the information about the team sports and the purpose of the article. If I'll run this, look, now it is like an article format. Okay, it has given me the section wise detail. In the following section we will explore, it is an article right now, a bookish language totally. You can generate a limitation of words, like write it in, let's say, 100 words. Okay, even you can do this. If I'll save this, save and run, then look, it will now give me approximate word between 100 to 120 or something. Look, it closed. But it is an article. It is a overall article with a conclusion. Okay, and it is a short format of article. And in the same manner, you can give, this is what I did. We completed the introduction part. You can complete the social benefit part also via the same example. Okay, let me show you. Other thing we will not do. Other thing is your homework. You can easily do it. I am just telling you one more example. And for an article, let's say about the same thing, the importance of the team sports for youth development. Okay, so what ChatGPT have to do, have to write a section about, now we will paste here the social benefit. Okay, the social benefit of team sports. Okay, focusing on how teamwork can help building communication skill and the relationship. Just close the inverted comma. Okay, if I'll enter, means this is a different topic, this is a different topic. So now it's building an article. Social benefit of team sport, building communication skills and relationship. One of the significant advantage, this. Okay, is generating. You can stop via this button if you want to stop the generation. Okay, now it completed. Understood? So here actually we have a good starting point, right? A first draft or a first article you can use for starting writing further. You can continue through it. Just copy and paste to a Word document or in a document where you are writing and add the contents. Okay, and try to add some example and the sources of these claims, because that would be the next natural step, right? But you have used this ChatGPT tool to help you get started, and it is a good thing. Just try to practice it, try to get a deep dive into it. Okay, ask ChatGPT questions, and it will give you the answer. Okay, so hope you guys understood this topic. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.